Green racing concept.
This is the first ever prototype hybrid. In other words, this car can run on gasoline power or electric power. In fact, it can run on any one of three configurations: gasoline by itself, electric by itself, or the combination thereof. This is brand new technology to the series, and they're learning as they go. You know, today we're going to see that. If they use it, it'll be great, but if they don't use it, this is something that they're building on. It's the first of its type anywhere.
But you ride on board that Zytec, the hybrid that we were talking about, and obviously running on the petrol power right now, Dorsey, but a lot of gauges up there on that dashboard, a lot of switches.
Right here, Brian, this day glow orange is the hybrid system. These four lights that run along here designate whether it's on or not. The switch right here turns it on. It's off right now because none of the lights are lit presently. So right now they're running without the aid of any electric power.
We know a little bit about the hybrid system, but there are certainly those out there who know much more about it. It is incredibly sophisticated. You think about the Formula One teams that run it, only about half of them can make it work at any time at all. So we went to the experts on sophistication.
We made the decision to do this last April, and we were fully committed to it. Obviously, at that point in time, oil was headed to $140 a barrel. The emphasis on this technology was coming forward. Obviously, since that intervening time, there's been a change in administration. There's been a huge focus now on the electrification of transportation in this country, particularly through the Department of Energy.
Well, this is the first hybrid technology that we've really seen go head-to-head with more conventional racing applications, and it's phenomenal, the achievements that they've made. They are using advanced batteries, lithium-ion batteries, that you'll start to see in a few years in some production class vehicles. And it's something that on the manufacturing, the R&D side, industry's been working on for years. How can we improve the flow of energy in and out of the packs? And to this point in time, the advances haven't been made to meet the goals that were set years ago. And they're starting to make a strong headway towards reaching those goals through this series and through what CORSA and Zytec are doing.
I think once people can see what electricity can do, which this will end up being actually the poster child for it, then I think you'll change people's perception. But over the time, we've been at this now for 13 months. We're still flying parts in today that we're still trying to get put on the car. It's been that long of a development cycle, and there's still a lot of things that have to work. So this is really going to be a huge test weekend for us, more than it will be a competitive weekend.
It's hard to develop while you're racing, but that's exactly what they're doing. You heard him say it's really the battery technology that needs to be developed just as much or more as the systems to charge those batteries, and they're doing a great job at it right now. You couldn't have two better people. Steve Pruitt, the principal there with that team, and you heard from Lee Slezak from the Department of Energy, and Slezak is one smart guy. I'll tell you, especially if you look at his title, I think it's got about 15 words in it.